Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Corinne, and today I'm showing you how to create a stunning fall makeup look featuring a bold fuchsia and light pink eyeshadow combination, complete with a shimmering pink lid. This look is perfect for fall, whether you're heading out for a cozy coffee date or simply snapping some selfies out with friends. Let's dive right in. To get started, I'm applying my Milani eyeshadow primer to my lids. This ensures our vibrant colors pop and stay vibrant all day long. Let's jump right into the eyes. For this look, I'm using this bold fuchsia shade from my Ukambi Splashy Candies eyeshadow palette. Using a fluffy brush, I'm applying it directly into my crease, blending slightly above the crease to give the eyes some drama. As you apply, be sure to blend it out with small circular motions. This will soften the edges while keeping the intensity of the color. Okay, so next I'm going to pick up this soft light pink shade. Using a smaller blending brush, I'm going to apply this color just above the fuchsia shade, right where the edges soften out. Now this step helps blend the bold fuchsia into the skin seamlessly, creating a soft transition without harsh lines. See how that light pink softened the entire look? It really adds a touch of warmth that's perfect for fall. And now for the shimmer. So I'm taking this gorgeous pink shimmer shade, and first I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my lid. Then I am going to focus the shimmer shade in the center of my lids using an eyeshadow brush. So I'm gonna use a patting motion to press the shade, the eyeshadow shade, onto my lid for maximum payoff. So gently press it onto the lid, blending slightly towards the inner and outer corners to keep the shimmer focused in the center of my lids. This shimmer was not too much. It added the perfect touch of sparkle, catching the light beautifully when you blink. Now here what I'm doing is just going over those matte shades. So first off, I'm going to go back into that beautiful fuchsia shade, and I'm just doing this to ensure that everything is well blended and there's a smooth transition, kind of like an ombre effect without any harsh lines. So I want everything to be well blended. Blended is key, y'all. Blending is key. And then after that, I'm just gonna go into that light pink shade again, just for a smooth transition and to ensure that everything is well blended. And next I'm going to dip back into that shimmer shade, applying it under my brow bone to add a little pop of color, a little highlight under my brow bone. Et puis voila for the top of my eyes. Next up, some eyeliner, black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna create a little wing with my liquid liner pen. Now that my eyes are almost done, I'll quickly move on to my face makeup. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation. It always gives a natural finish. Then I'm going to highlight with some concealer. Then I'll add some bronzer to warm up the skin a little. This is a new bronzer that I just got off of Amazon, and I absolutely love this bronzer. For the lower lash line, I'm taking the same fuchsia shade and lightly smudging it along the lower lash line. This ties the entire look together and gives your eyes that sultry fall vibe. Then I'm going to add a soft pink blush to complement the eyes, and of course I'm going to highlight the high points of my face with a golden highlighter, and then just to be a little extra I also added a pink highlighter. So yes, so I have a mixture of gold and pink shimmer for my highlight, and this just look absolutely gorgeous when the light hits. Oh my goodness, so gorgeous. For the lips, I'm going in with a more muted look, so I'm going to go in with a rosy pink lip liner and also a very muted clear pinky lip, just not to take away too much from the eyes. Now this color combination worked great together. It complemented the lips, complemented the eyes as opposed to competing with the eyes. And there you have it, a bold yet soft fuchsia light pink eyeshadow look, perfect for fall. I love how the shimmer adds that extra pop to the eyes, making it ideal for any autumn event or even just to glam up your day. If you try out this look, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I will be putting the link to my different social media accounts down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more fall makeup tutorials. I've got tons of exciting looks coming your way. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you love this look, give it a thumbs up, comment below your favorite fall eyeshadow shade, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay fabulous. Bye-bye.